So I have been dealing with my natural crown for 3 weeks. It was fun. It was fantastic to have. Got a lot of compliments, and right now I am done with it. So just stay with me. If this is the kind of content that you've been looking for, stick with me and I'll show you a very amazing way to turn your hair from this to this. So welcome. So I'm washing the hair with this amazing detangling shampoo from I USED. This is a brand that I've used for quite some time too. It is very amazing. It has a lot of nice skin care product ranges, anti-aging and all that, but I love this detangling shampoo because it has wonders for my fussy hair. So make sure to try it out. I have it in my hair kit, my hair care kit that I have shared down below. And at this stage I'm using warm water just because it feels nice. I mean, I don't want to put hot water on myself. Like here, you know, I live in a cold country, so our water is absolutely cold even in the summer. Feels like drinking water from the freezer or pouring freezer water on yourself. So I'm using hot water. So that's a lot. We finished washing the hair with that amazing shampoo, and they're plant-based shampoos, although I'm sure there's some other non-plant-based chemicals in it, but it is an amazing product. Now we are going to our do-it-yourself aloe vera conditioning and moisturizing hair mask. This mask in itself has two masks. Mask number one is the conditioning mask for if you just want to condition the hair. That is, you just put aloe vera and some honey and some coconut oil in the hair to just condition, but I am combining it because I want to do a 2-in-1 mask. I'm going to condition and I'm going to moisturize. So for this hair mask, we are going to need 5 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. We are going to need 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. We are going to need 2 tablespoons of honey, and we are going to need an egg.
I gotta tell you something I could do. I could be running around chasing you, but I won't, 'cause I got better things to do. Rather spend my precious time chasing somebody who loves me too. If I got $1 for every time you slam the door, I would be the richest girl alive.
Something I struggle a lot with. However, I love that I have my natural hair. So I am adding 2 tablespoons. I said 1, but for my own hair, I'll add 2 because I am extravagant and generous for my hair. I want it to look its best. So I have added 2 tablespoons, but you can actually add 1 depending on your hair texture. So I will put the exact measurements in the description below. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe and to like and to share, and also to try out these because they're very amazing. And then I'll put 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. This is my carrot oil. I don't have plain coconut oil at the moment, but plain coconut oil is also as good. I'm using my carrot oil because carrot oil is good for the hair too, so that's just a plus that my hair will be receiving. So after that, we shall mix everything together and then we shall go ahead and apply the mask. on the hair. I'll leave this mask on for an hour. So my hair is going to be feeding on this for an hour, and then we shall come back and go ahead with the straightening of the hair. My African comb. I think every black woman has this comb, especially those who have natural hair. In Uganda they used to be wooden. My grandmother had one like this, but unfortunately I don't have one, and if I ever find it I'll buy it. So I'm just going to go ahead and make some divisions. Like you can see, I have very thick hair. That's why I need a lot of product to make sure that every single piece of hair gets some, and it is able to absorb the nutrients that I'm giving it. So it's not perfect lines, guys. I don't work in the salon. I'm not good at this stuff. I'm only good at the skin part. The hair part, really, I just try. I'm learning. And this everything I do with my hair is almost, because I have to do it on my daughter. So I finished taking the mask off my hair, and I'm going to blow dry it. And I will use, for the blow drying, I will use my carrot oil, as well as this one at One with Nature. But I use this after drying. So let's first put some carrot oil and dry the hair. I told you carrot oil is all round. It's good for the face, for the skin, for the body, for the hair. I mean, I love this oil, and I use it a lot. So I run out quickly and I manufacture more. It runs out because I use it a lot. I've started to use it on my baby girl too, so that she can grow up with this amazing skin. And this is from Remington. It's a travel dryer that I use at home. I don't have the normal salon dryer. You know, for us who live abroad, going to the salon is very expensive, and where I am, there is no salon that understands my hair, so I have to do everything myself. But this is a Remington. It's a travel hair dryer that I move around with every time I travel, and I love it. I'm sure there are better ones, but I've had this one for over 5 years now. And now to the final stage of our hair grooming day is hair straightening. I have this amazing hair straightener that I use to straighten my hair, and you can increase the heat. It has some buttons here, you increase or decrease, and a start button. So this is what is going to make our hair a finished product that I'll be able to handle for at least another 2 weeks. And I'll show you the final result. But this is what I'm going to use. So let's start with this. So just take a small portion of hair like this. This is sort of like those who grew up like, you know, this is the same as the hot comb. It's this is I call it a modern hot comb. This one, my grandmother used to have one too. She used to put it, even some people in Uganda, they still put that metallic comb on a charcoal stove, and then they use it to straighten the hair. So this is kind of like that, but it's a very amazing product that straightens hair. You have to be careful because it's really hot. I burnt my ear the other time. So it is good if you have someone at home to help you with this, but unfortunately I'm the only grown-up woman in this house. The rest are men and boys, so I have to handle all my things by myself. Except the man behind the camera. I think you can see how long my hair is becoming. You can see, this is, how amazing is this? And I put some scalp oil while I do it. At one, root revitalizer. It helps the hair to grow. But next time I'll show you my own homemade root stimulator. Put some in there. Just that is all too slippery. This doesn't take even 30 minutes. It's very, 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 very nice thing. Very, very nice thing to have. So I have recommended some amazing brushes that you can buy from Amazon in my hair care kit. Be sure to buy them, and honestly, when you buy, I get a commission on that. So support me, please. Support my hustle, ladies. Support black businesses without asking for discount. Yes, support me, for this is my business too, because I promote beauty and self-care products, both made by me and some that made by other people who have really put in a lot of money in this business. Yeah, but some of them are really just rip-offs, honestly, to be honest. Some of them are just names and their products don't work, especially for us people who have dark skins and this fussy hair. Sometimes you're better off making your own products. However, whatever I have recommended is genuine and very, very good. So, because I'm also a very picky person when it comes to the things I use on myself and even at home. So whatever I'm recommending, it is well worth the money, and it is what I bought and used and tried and tested. So my account on Kit is just full of things that I have tried and tested. And like most of my customers, you know that I never ever sell things that I haven't used. I don't want to put my name on things that I haven't tried, because if someone gets problems with it, they are going to blame you even when you're not the manufacturer. So I try to to recommend things that I have used myself, and most of my customers know that I do return their money if things don't work, or I replace the things, but that's expensive, so I try as much as possible to recommend things I have tried and seen results for. So I think you can see the difference. Can you see the difference? Look at the difference, guys. Just look. Tomorrow I just wake up and go to work, no combing. Of course I have to comb, but I won't have to suffer with this. So I highly recommend this brush, especially you guys who live abroad. Well, maybe some of you have time and you have the salons and you have people in your homes to do them, but for some of us in Scandinavia, we really suffer with hair, and when you choose to go natural, it becomes even worse because the availability of things to use is also narrow. These countries have not invested so much in products for us as yet, and we have to be the pioneers, I think. You can cut off the tops because I think you can see I have some unhealthy tops. This is also another way to see them, because when the hair is not straight, you can't know that you have those unhealthy tops there. So I cut them off. I think when I finally let a professional cut through this hair, I'll be able to get a signature haircut and rock that for the rest of my life probably. But as of now, no professional has ever touched this hair except those who do my protective hairstyles. They've touched this hair, but those who do natural haven't. I've been doing my hair for myself. I think you can see the progress that I'm making. The hair is becoming long and soft and very manageable because of this brush. So, and it doesn't really break your hair because you already have, the hair is already soft from the aloe vera softening mask. Then I've put some oil moisturizer, and then I've put some root stimulator as well. And be careful because this thing can burn. So this part. And my hair is not it's not on even levels, because when I got fed up of treated hair, I just tied a puff and I cut off the top parts. So this is what I remained with, and this is totally natural. When I cut off the treated hair, I did it myself. I didn't go to a professional. Yeah. So if you've come this far and you haven't subscribed, come on, hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to come back for more of these videos. I have very amazing content prepared for you. And like, share, comment, give feedback, and above all, try out these things. I want to hear how it went for you, and give me tips on what you do so that I can also try them out on my hair. So thank you very much for watching. Until next time, my name is Doreen. Bye bye.